Okay, hi, this is Mike Henriksen at OSCON 2013 in Portland. I'm here with Lucas Carlson from CenturyLink.
That's right.
That's correct. We're in front of the Savvis booth, though, right? So what is the difference between CenturyLink and Savvis?
Yes, Savvis was acquired by CenturyLink 2 years ago, and they do the colo and managed hosting side of CenturyLink.
Okay, and so at OSCON, what is the play with open source and here?
So I started a company 3 years ago called AppFog, and what it does is build applications, deploy them into the cloud faster and easier than ever before. That does platform as a service, and that was just recently acquired by CenturyLink.
Okay, and then so is there a play there with Savvis as well? Or?
Yes, so Savvis has the data centers, CenturyLink has the network, and AppFog brings platform as a service. Now the open source play is around all the technologies that we incorporate. So there's Cloud Foundry, which is an open source project that AppFog uses for platform as a service. OpenStack is something that we've supported for a long time. And in data centers, it's a very important open source technology. And everything around deployment and management of applications in the cloud is the right area for us.
And do you interoperate with other cloud technologies?
Absolutely. One of the things is we really see ourselves as a service provider for cloud technologies, really bringing developers closer to infrastructure and network than they've ever been before.
Okay. And how are you finding the conversations here this week at OSCON?
Well, I mean, I've been an OSCON fanatic and an O'Reilly fanatic forever. When I was just that big and thinking about, coming up to the big city and coming to OSCON, it meant a lot to me. So it's very nostalgic being around my fellow geeks and getting the good swag.
So you're from Oregon, or you're this local here?
Yes, I grew up in Eugene and been in Portland for 11 years.
Okay, and where are you seeing things going in the future?
Software is eating the world, as Mark Andreessen said.
That's a good one.
Open source is leading that, and it's really interesting to see the communities growing. And it seems like, to me, OSCON's growing up. The community around here, looking around at the people, it really looks like open source is being taken more seriously than ever before.
What I gather from that is there seems like there's more enterprises here, which means OSCON or open source is kind of one, but yet it's not a zero-sum game because people here need to figure out how to work with the existing enterprises and move forward in using the cloud. Absolutely.
Companies are becoming more and more comfortable with open source. And as a geek and a developer, that's really good to see.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it's also very hard to use in a lot of cases, and geeks are more necessary today in order to make it work.
They're always necessary, but yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lucas. We hope to see you next year.
Thank you.
Thanks.